Order. I've called Nicky Wagner.
To the Minister for the Environment. Has the Environmental Protection Authority received any resource consent applications under the new national consenting process provided for in the 2009 amendments to the Resource Management Act?
The Honourable Dr Nick Smith.
Mr Speaker, yes. The first application has been received from Contact Energy for the Tauhara 2 240 megawatt geothermal power plant. The proposal is nationally significant and would provide power for 180,000 homes, or the equivalent of the city the size of Wellington. The application has been referred to a board of inquiry to be chaired by Environment Court Judge Gordon Whiten and 4 other commissioners with relevant skills in geology, in geothermal power, the environment and tikanga Māori.
Nicky Wagner.
Mr Speaker, to the Minister of the Environment, what are the key differences in the process for considering this project as compared to the government's amendments?
Mr Speaker.
Dr Nick Smith.
Mr Speaker, the first difference is that the application was made directly to the new EPA rather than going to a regional or territorial authority and being called in. Secondly, the application must be dealt with in a timely way so that decisions are made within 9 months of the public notification. The third key change is with this Board of Inquiry process, the appeal rights are quite limited. The government's objective is to do these major projects once and do them properly rather than seeing the years of litigation that has been so typical of major projects of this sort.
Mr Speaker.
Nicky Wagner.
To the Minister of the Environment, what other steps is the government taking to encourage the development of renewable energy?
Mr Speaker, yes, it is an objective of this government to reverse the trend of the last decade in seeing a reduction in the proportion of renewable electricity. The changes we made to the RMA last year are part of that strategy, and this year we will also be advancing a national policy statement on renewable electricity to facilitate sensible, viable developments.
Question number.
Speaker, my question is to the Minister of State Services. Does he stand by his statement that he ordered the inquiries into the leaking of information about the stocktake of Schedule 4 of the Crown Minerals Act and changes to the structure of the public sector?
Honourable Tony Ryan.
Mr Speaker, yes, these